Ryan Van Huijstee here from Concordia University Press. I'm very happy to introduce to the world Family and Justice in the Archives, Historical Perspectives on Intimacy in the Law, edited by Peter Gossage and Lisa Moore. Let's just take a look at that. Good spine here. I really like this green. There's a good courtroom sketch that was used for the cover here, designed by Sebastian Aubin at Otami. I like how this has been set. And a French flap on a paperback is always a great bookmark. I would say that one of the things that have really struck me about this work that I really appreciate is that it's figured out ways to read between the lines of more formal and fraught legal procedures in order to understand the lives of everyday people in the past. This book is really for all of those that are interested in historical inquiry and trying to figure out how to depict the lives of those who have experienced hardship, trauma, difficulties, some of the worst times of their lives, and how to conduct that historical inquiry in an ethical manner. So I think this is beauty, and I want to congratulate the authors and everybody involved. Go out into the world, my friend. If you'd like to find out more about the book, please check out concordia.ca/press, or of course you can feel free to search for the book on a search engine and then order it from your favorite local bookstore.